Hello, I'm in a 2017 Toyota Tundra, and I'm going to show you today how to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, or French. So first you will start the vehicle, and then we'll wait just a moment for everything to load, at which point we will do setup, and then general, and then here language, you just select there, and then we've got French or Spanish. We'll say we want Spanish. It just auto updates everything when you hit OK. So anyways, and then yeah, you would obviously set it so it saves in Spanish. I don't really know what it was saying because I speak English. So now it's saved there, and then obviously I speak English, so I'm going to switch it back, and that's it. I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.